guys, welcome back to our channel AR Sparks.
Very
happy Independence Day to you all.
In this video, we will make Independence Day craft fan.
So let's get started. 3 papers, orange, white and green, each of 7 cm width and 30 cm length. On the length side, make markings of 1 cm. Now make the markings of 1 cm on the other side. We have done the markings on one paper. We will make the markings on the other 2 papers. Fold the paper at these markings. You have to do it in this way. We are done. Similarly, we will fold the other 2 papers. Fold this like a fan. One on this side, another on the opposite. One here and the other here. Repeat till the end. We are done. Do the same with the other 2 colors. We need to glue these. Orange and green on the either side and white in the middle. Take a glue and glue them on this corner and attach it to this corner. Now put the glue and stick these 2. To this, we will attach a paper like this. Now stick this white paper on 3 sides like this. 1, 2 and 3. Take 2 sticks and glue them on either side. Stick them on this till this corner like this. And stick this like this till here. Let it dry and we are done. It opens like. Let's complete it by adding the circle in the middle. Here it is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video.
If you want to make this bags, we have uploaded the video.
The link for this video is in the description box. Don't forget to like, share